Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for another week of deals. And this week we're going to be going over the new 2-week sales ad that is for deals going through August 31st through September 13th. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys a really quick favor. I just posted a collaboration video with L'Oreal Paris going over their spend 30, get back a $12 extra care book deal with the $5 CRT that we just got. It's my most recent video posted on Instagram. I'll have the link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you guys are able to go and watch that video in its entirety and leave the video a like and a comment, I would be so grateful. It's a way to support me in a way that's totally free and easy. It really helps me potentially get more partnerships with L'Oreal. It is more difficult getting partnerships as a couponing creator, so if you guys are able to support me in that way, leaving the video engagement via likes, comments, and watching it all the way through, it helps me more than you guys know, and I appreciate it so much. If you do end up doing that, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below letting me know that you did that, and I will be sure to thank every single one of you that does that. So this week at CVS is the second ad as part of their Epic Beauty sale. And this week we don't have like the 10 off 25 that we had last week that was really exciting, but we do have some good hair care deals, beauty deals in general that we have to work with. We did also get a bunch of new digital coupons today, even though it is Labor Day weekend, so that's really exciting. We have some new Ibotta rebates, and we should also be getting new coupons on the 1st of the month, which will be tomorrow on Labor Day, September 1st. I did use my percent off CRT from the Thursday percent off CRT email. I used it last night, and I did get 3 off 15s this morning, so I'm really excited to use those and show you guys some scenarios using those. I almost forgot to mention that I have been going live every single Saturday, so make sure you're looking out for those. I'm planning to go live like midday into the evening every single Saturday to go over the deals for the following week. So just yesterday when I'm filming this on Saturday the 30th, I went live going over all the new deals for the new ad. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can get notifications when I'm going live and you can join me in preparing deals for Sunday. And in addition to that, something you guys have been asking me for so long is a printable list, a Google Doc. I am starting to do that now that I'm going live so we can prep that Google Doc together every single Saturday. I will have it linked every single week in the description box and in the pinned comment, so check out that Google Doc down below. Okay, you guys, so again this week we have a deal on Neutrogena Cosmetics. They are spend 12, get back a $7 extra bucks. You can grab the lip sleeping mask at $11.99, and we do have a $4 digital coupon to use if you did not already use it. You'd pay $7.99, get back your $7 extra buck, making this 99 cents. We did just get a $5 CRT on L'Oreal facial care. So the cheapest option is grabbing the toner at $8.59, and with the $5 CRT, that would make this just $3.59. Another way that you could do the L'Oreal deal is grabbing one of the moisturizers priced above $30, like this one at $30.59. L'Oreal facial care is spend 30, get back a $12 extra buck this week, so this will work for that. You can use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal facial care CRT and pair that with the $5 CRT off any one L'Oreal facial care item, and you'd be left to pay $20.59. Earning back your $12 extra buck would make this $8.59. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizers are spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one priced right above $30, like this one at $30.79, the water gel. And you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT. You'd be left to pay $25.79, earning back your $10 extra buck. And then you can submit to the Activate Rewards website. It's activaterewards.com/back-to-school. You can submit your receipt through September 13th. It just has to be dated by September 6th. So through this current week, you can still do this deal. And then after getting back the $10 extra buck and the $10 Visa card for spending $30 or more on Neutrogena products, that would make this item just $5.79. We have a pretty good deal on some expensive Olay body wash, the Olay Super Serum. These are normally about $16. They're on sale for $12.99 each. So what you're going to want to do is grab 2 of them totaling $25.98, and we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $18.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each bottle, getting a total of $6 back. And that would make your final cost for 2 bottles just $12.98 or $6.49 each. Okay, next we're going to get into the Nivea deal. Nivea lotion, facial care, the body wash, and the shave items are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can first pick up the skin firming lotion at $14.99. And then you're also going to pick up one of the Nivea Men shave gel at $5.79. So this is what your cart should look like grabbing both of these items. The two of those would total $20.78. And then you can use a $2 digital coupon for the lotion, and you'd be left to pay $18.78, but then you'd be earning back your $10 extra buck from spending $20 on these Nivea products before coupons. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on the Nivea lotion for skin firming and $1.25 back on the Nivea men's shave gel. And that would make your final cost for both items just $5.53. And of course, if you have a 3 off 15 CRT from your CVS emails, you could use that and it would end up making both items just $2.53. And if you guys do not already have the Ibotta rebate app, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up. Tresemme Hair Care is buy two, get back a $5 extra buck this week, so you can grab two of the smallest size shampoo and conditioner priced at $6.49 at my store. Two of those would total $12.98, and you can use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $7.98, getting back your $5 extra buck. That would make two bottles $2.98, or just $1.49 each, and your store may have these priced a little bit cheaper, maybe even $5.99. Nexxus products are spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck, and included are some of the smaller size bottles, like this therapy shampoo. As you can see, this one is included in the spend 20, get 10, but not all of the small size are. This is the only small size that's included, so you'd have to find a store that has two of these in stock. Two of those would total $25.58, and then you can use the 8 off 2 digital coupon that we just got, and you'd be left to pay $17.58. You get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Fetch Rewards for 2,000 points back at CVS on each one that you buy. So you get back a total of 4,000 points on Fetch, which is equal to $4. And that would make your final cost for 2 bottles of Nexxus shampoo $3.58. And if you guys do not already have Fetch Rewards, I'll have it linked in the description box and in the pinned comment to get a 2,000 point bonus when you sign up. We have a really good deal on Dove Dry Spray Deodorant for the whole body deodorant variety. They are spend 20, get back a $7 extra buck, but you wouldn't have to do that extra buck deal if you didn't want to. You could grab one of these priced at $13.99, and we have a $5 digital coupon and a $5 Ibotta rebate. So stacking those two, it would make it just $3.99, and some stores may have these priced as low as $12.99, so that would make it just $2.99. The cheapest way to do this deal is pairing in the whole body deodorant at $13.99 with one of the shampoos or conditioners at $5.99. Those two items would total $19.98. Again, use the $5 digital coupon for the whole body deodorant and you pay $14.98, but you'd earn back your $7 extra buck from spending $20 before coupons, or at least 98% of the way to $20 in this case. And you can submit to Ibotta for $5 back on the whole body deodorant, making your final cost just $2.98 for both items, or $1.49 each. And if your store does have the whole body deodorants priced at $12.99, you can grab this $7 shampoo instead of the $5.99. Select of the more high-end shampoo, conditioners, and stylers are buy two, get back a $10 extra buck at CVS this week. And included is the Chi, including the small size $6.99 thermal sprays. So you can grab two of those totaling $13.98. You pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making two of them $3.98. Pantene is 2 for $10 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck, and we do have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $8, get back your $3 extra buck, making two of these just $5 or $2.50 each. If you're a Head & Shoulders user, you can grab two of these at $6.94 on sale. They're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck, so two would total $13.88, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Using that, you'd be left to pay $10.88, getting back the $3 extra buck would make two of these just $7.88. In case you like Aussie shampoo and conditioner, we did just get a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and these are priced around $5 or $6, so that'd be a pretty decent deal, no extra buck deal required. Check out the Old Spice whole body deodorant sticks, the red and the orange. They are on clearance this week, and they're marked pretty high, still high priced on clearance, 30 and 40% off, but make sure you take these to the Redbox machine and scan them to see what they're ringing up for there. I scanned both of them. The orange was still priced pretty high, but the red, the cherry, was ringing for just $4.12. So what you can do is grab two of them totaling $8.24 if your store has the same pricing as mine. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon, making two of them $1.24. Okay, next we're going to do an oral care deal, grabbing 2 of the Crest Brilliants at $8.99. Those are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. Included are the gum and the whitening Brilliants and charcoal. And then we're also going to do the deal on the Oral-B toothbrushes at $3.97 and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. We're going to combine those deals and come up with a really good scenario. And then the toothpaste are also included, but I'm going to grab the toothbrushes. This is how I'm going to do this deal this week, grabbing 2 of the Brilliants at $8.99, buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck, and 2 of the Oral-B at $3.97 that are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. These 4 total $25.92, and I'm going to use a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, a $4 digital for 1 of the Crest Brilliants, and a 5 off 3 that's attaching to the other Crest Brilliants and the toothbrushes. So I should be left to pay $12.92, earning back a total of $9 in extra bucks from the 2 deals. Plus I can submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on each of the Crest Brilliance toothpaste, getting a total of $5 back. And that would make all 4 oral care items a $1.08 moneymaker. Crest White Strips are spend $40, get back a $20 extra buck, which is already 50% off, which is awesome. They're priced around $43 online, but in store, at my store, they're $46.79 for the cheapest packs that are still above $40. So you could grab one of those, use a $5 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $41.79. Earning back a $20 extra buck would make this just $21.79. Next up, we can do a deal on Gillette or Venus disposable razors. These Gillette Sensor 2s are priced at $8.69 at my store, and these are buy 1, get 1 50% off and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these totaling $13.03 and use 2 separate $3 off 1 digital coupons. We actually got 3 of these, and they're attaching to the men's or the women's. So the cool thing about that is you can grab 2 men's or 2 women's and it's going to work. Normally we have to grab 1 of each and we have a separate digital coupon for the men's and the women's, but this week they did it a little bit differently. So after those coupons, you'd be left to pay $7.03. You get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of these $3.03. Instead of doing the disposable razor deal, you can grab 2 of the Gillette Foamy Shave creams, priced at $3.89. 2 of those would total $4.83 with the buy 1, get 1 50% off. And after the $4 extra buck, it would make 2 of them just $1.83. Next up, we're going to do a Coupon 24 deal. I am still new to Coupon 24, but this is a really good deal that you can only do with Coupon 24 coupons. Grabbing one of the Gillette Venus 3-blade razors at $11.29 and one of the Gillette Mach 3s at $11.29. These are buy 1, get 1 50% off and buy 2, get back an $8 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $16.93. After those 2 $3 digital coupons come off from Coupon 24, you'd be left to pay $10.93 and then you'd earn back your $8 extra buck, making both of them $2.93. The Alka-Seltzers are buy 1, get back a $4 extra bucks. You can grab the cheapest ones, the Fizzy Melt at $5.79 at my store. You pay that, earn back your $4 extra buck, would make these just $1.79. Next, let's get into the spend $25, get back a $5 household deal. So what you can do is grab one of the Tide Pods at $13.49, one of the small size Tide Pods at $5.49, and then one of the Downy Unstoppables, the medium size at $6.99. Those 3 items would total $25.97, and we have a $3 digital coupon for the bigger Tide Pods, $1 for the smaller Tide Pods, and a $3.50 digital coupon for the medium size $6.99 Downy Unstoppables, and you'd be left to pay $18.47, earning back your $5 extra buck, would make all 3 items $13.47. I would say not the best deal. I prefer the spend 30, get 10, but if you need household products, laundry products, it's a decent deal. Next, we have a Pampers Wipes deal. The 3 packs of the Pampers Wipes are on sale for $7.99, down from like $11.99, which is a great sale price. Grab 2 of them because these are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So 2 would total $15.98, and you can use a $2 off of 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $13.98. And then after the $5 extra buck, it would make 2 3-packs $8.98, and that's $8.98 for 6 packs, which breaks down to just $1.49 per pack. Okay, so for my first transaction, I did the Crest deal, and I grabbed the 2 toothbrushes and the 2 Brilliance toothpaste. After the coupons that I explained in the breakdown, I ended up paying just $11 in extra bucks and then had a $2 subtotal that I paid in cash. So $13 out of pocket, I earned back $9 in extra bucks, and I submitted to Ibotta and got back $5 from there. So $13 spent and got back a total of $14, making this transaction a $1 moneymaker. Next on this account, I used my 3 off 15 on the Tresemme and the Alka-Seltzer, and after my coupons, I ended up owing $9 in extra bucks and then about a $2 subtotal that I paid in cash. So $11 out of pocket, but I got back $9 in extra bucks, 5 for the Tresemme and 4 from the Alka-Seltzer, making this transaction a little less than $2. Okay, next I did another 3 off 15 transaction on a different account. I did the Tresemme deal and the Neutrogena lip mask deal. So I ended up using a total of $8 in extra bucks, and then I had a $5 subtotal that I paid in cash. So that's a total of $13 out of pocket, but then I got back $12 in extra bucks, which was 5 for the Tresemme and 7 for the Neutrogena deal, making this transaction just a cost of $1. Okay, and finally I did the Gillette and Venus regular razor deal with the clearance Old Spice deodorant. My Coupon 24 coupons came off perfectly along with my 7 off 2 for the Old Spice, and I paid nothing after extra bucks. I used just $12 in extra bucks to pay, and then I got back an $8 extra buck for the Gillette and Venus deal, making this transaction just a cost of $4, which is great. So if you guys enjoyed the CVS deals video, please leave this video a like and a comment. I will catch you guys next week, and please, if you can, go to my Instagram and like my L'Oreal collaboration deal and let me know you did that in the comment section down below.